Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with your menu items, and a new feature to Service Pack 8 is themes. Begin by turning your course onto edit mode in the right hand corner. See the green dot, you know you're in edit mode. On my menu items that link to areas in my course, I am going to, the plus sign shows when you put it in edit mode, and I have a content area which I'm going to create a button for that shortly. That's what you're going to use the most. Module page, that's what we have here as the home page. Blank page. Tool link, it's like a template type of program that Blackboard has created for you, such as your My Grades area, your discussion boards, wikis or journals are all tools. Web link means that you're creating a button to link to an outside web source. And course link, of course, creates a link to somewhere within your course. Subheaders and dividers are just visual items for you. You can see here I have a divider. So let me begin by going to the plus, creating a content item, and I'm going to type midterm project. Notice that I've typed this before and it's anticipating it. You would think that you could click on that and it would put it in there, but there's a little bug or something and it doesn't work if you do that. So you need to type that in there. You also need to say available to users, otherwise it won't show to your students. Click submit. It will put it right at the bottom. Go over to, you see the two-headed arrow, hold your left mouse down and you can drag it up to wherever you want and drop it, and I'm just going to put it right up there above final project. Again, notice the link has no content, so it won't show until there's some content in there. If I wanted to change the name, I can click on the chevron and say rename. I could go in here and put a hyphen and then click on the green check mark and it changes the name for it. So now I have a content button, and this is what it looks like in a content area. You can start building your content, so it has all of your tools in there, and this is what you use most of the time. If I want to create a tool link, I would click on tool link, and this time let me say journal. And I do have to go down and select it out of this list so it knows which template to pull from. So there's journals. Again, make it available to users. Submit. And again, you could drag it and put it wherever you want. Put it underneath the discussion board. And the journal, as you can see, is already a template where I can go ahead and click and create a journal here. Okay. So that's how easy it is to work with those buttons. Now let me show you something else on this page, and that is themes. This is new to Service Pack 8, and it looks like kind of a partial color wheel up here. There are 50 different colors that you can change to, and let me just grab sunshine here. And you can see it's pretty bright. It's kind of neat. There's also by discipline, and since this is a history course, let me click on the history theme, and you can see I kind of have some different color here, brought up a map underneath. There's nursing and all sorts of them in there. Again, as I said, there's 50. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you real quickly is how to change your buttons to buttons instead of this textual menu. Go to your control panel, then down to customization, and the verbiage here has changed from the last version of Blackboard. It used to say styles, now it says teaching style. So click on that, and it will again offer you some of this pedagogy to try to help you along with the structure of your course. But we're going to skip that and go right down to the menu style. You can see I have textual text menu. I'm going to change it to buttons. And then I'm going to show you the button library. And the button library has all kinds of, you can do stripes or patterns or solids. Let me just grab that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll up or down and submit. And you'll notice that I now have buttons on the side. I would obviously get rid of my divider here because I don't need it in there since I have buttons that kind of separate themselves. And you can see how neat that is to work with. So have fun with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.